Okay, so you may remember that in first season we built a bathroom, and now we're gonna destroy it. So let's start by removing the old wall. And another one.
Another one. Another one.
Now we are removing the mineral wool from walls. Okay, so we're gonna take all the things out from the above. Now it's time to take the ceiling out and taking the walls out. So now that we destroyed half of our bathroom, it's time to take care of the sewage. What you have to do is to cut all the old pipes out and add new pipes to the good dimensions. So now we're gonna set this pole that will be our bearing point. Now we're gonna add the profiles into our wall. Okay, so now let's add our first drywall. And let's add our second drywall. Now let's add another drywall but to a ceiling. Now we're gonna do the thresholds, mount them, and also mount the door. We also have to add ventilation to our bathroom, so we're gonna do holes in our door. Now we're gonna add the first layer of plaster. Now we have to give some time to the plaster so it will dry out. Now we have to sand our walls from the plaster, so we'll start with a machine, with a sanding machine, and here we go. And let's put the second layer on. Now we're gonna add some corners to the plaster, so we're gonna stick it in. And sand again. Now we're also gonna paint the underlay. Now we're gonna sand with the sand sponge, and we're gonna do it by hand. Now let's vacuum off all the dust that we made. And now let's set the back wall. So we gotta put mineral wool into our wall. And let's put on the dry walls. and let's put plaster on it. But in this case, leftover glue. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you didn't like something, write down in the comments. I know it was a boring episode, but you know, we have to have sometimes episodes like this. See you next time, God bless ya, and see ya.